देखेंगे फार्मास्यूटिकल बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का एमसीक्यू। ठीक है, ये क्यूओ एमसीक्यू आपको एग्जाम बेस्ड जो एग्जाम हो रहे हैं वो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल होंगे। ठीक है, और एक और बात आपको बता दें कि ये जो क्वेश्चन है टोटल 50 क्वेश्चन है। 50 क्वेश्चन में मात्र आपको 5 क्वेश्चन दिए जाएंगे और वो लास्ट में दिए जाएंगे। आप उसका आंसर जरूर बताइएगा कमेंट बॉक्स में, क्योंकि उससे पता चलेगा कि आपका मेमोरी पावर कितना अच्छा है। ठीक है, आप खुद को समझ सकेंगे। ठीक है, then first question number is which of the following immunoglobulins are secretory and present in the milk of? The answer is D, IgA. Ig means immunoglobulins. This is the answer. Okay, the next question number is second question number, the specificity of an antibiotic due to the variable portion of the heavy and light chain. The answer is D. Okay, next is three question number, the class of antibiotics which can cross placenta. कौन से क्लास होते हैं जो प्लेसेंटा को क्रॉस करते हैं? जो आंसर होगा वो होगा सी, आईजी इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन्स जी। आंसर इज सी। नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ क्वेश्चन नंबर, नेम द क्लास ऑफ इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन्स which take part in hypersensitivity reaction. The answer is B, IgE, immunoglobulins E. Okay, next is fifth question number, the immobilized enzyme produced by microencapsulation technique provide. The answer is A, an extremely large surface area. Okay, the answer is A. Next is sixth question number, which of the following is considered as a disadvantage to the adsorption method of immobilization? The answer is D, state of immobilization is very sensitive to solution pH, ionic strength and temperature. The answer is D. Okay, next is seventh question number, in which of the technique enzyme and polymer are bridged by the use of functional reagent? The answer is A, covalent cross linking. The answer is A. Okay, next is eighth question number, which biosensor work on the principle of change in mass? Change in mass. The answer is D, piezoelectric. The answer is D, piezoelectric. Okay, next is ninth question number, glucose biosensor is example of dash biosensor. The answer is C, amperometric. The amperometric biosensor जो है एग्जाम्पल है ग्लूकोज बायोसेंसर का। The answer is C. Okay, next is 10th question number. 10th question number is, which biosensor work on the principle of change in mass? The answer is D, piezoelectric. The answer is D. Okay, next is plasmid. Next is 11th question number, plasmid is the circular piece of DNA present in. The answer is C, bacteria. Plasmid is the circular piece of DNA present in bacteria. Okay, the answer is C. Next is 12th question number, the PCR means polymer chain reaction technique was developed by, जो डेवलप किया है किसके द्वारा हुआ है? The answer is A, Carey Mullis. The answer is A, Carey Mullis. The next question number is 13th question number, introduction of recombinant DNA into the bacteria cell by using current is called. The answer is B, electroporation. The answer is B. And next question number is 14th question number, in the production of hormone insulin using rDNA technology, the formed recombinant DNA is introduced into? The answer is A. Bacteria. The answer is A. Question number. Name the type of culture which is prepared by inoculation directly from the tissue of an organism to culture media. The answer is A. Primary cell culture. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 16 question number. What is cell line? क्या है cell line? The answer is subculturing of primary culture. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 17 question number. Which of the following is the true characteristics of a normal cell? The answer is C. Have a finite number of cell lines. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 18 question number. B cells that produce and release large amount of antibody are called. The answer is plasma cell. The answer is C. Plasma cell. Next is 19 question number. Type 4 hypersensitivity is also called as. The answer is delayed hypersensitivity. The answer is D. Delayed hypersensitivity. Okay. Next is, and the 20 question number is, which hypersensitivity reaction are T cell mediated is type 4 cell? The answer is A. Type 4. Okay. Next is 21 question number. Which of the following is considered an autoimmune disease? The answer is C. SCID. The SCID is severe combined immunodeficiency. Okay, severe combined immunodeficiency is SCID. The next question number is 22 question number. A positive tuberculin test is example of. The answer is a delayed type of hypersensitivity. Okay. Next question number is 23 question number. Naturally acquired active immunity would be most likely acquired through which of the following process? The answer is D. Infection with disease causing organism followed by recovery. Okay, the answer is D. Okay, next is 24 question number. Which of the following antibodies is predominantly present in tear, saliva and mucus? The answer is A. IgM, मतलब immunoglobulins M. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Antigen binding site are present in. The answer is A. Fab regions of an antibody. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 26 question number. Which enzyme used to join together two different type of DNA molecules? Okay. The answer is A. Ligase. The answer is A. Ligase. The next question number is 27 question number. Which of the following enzymes in bacteria are responsible for restricting the growth of virus? The answer is A. Restricted endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 28 question number. Excision and insertion of a gene is called. The answer is B. Genetic engineering. The answer is B. Genetic engineering. Next is 29 question number. The first clinical application of gene therapy over a 4-year-old girl was for. The answer is A. Adenosine deaminase deficiency. Adenosine deaminase deficiency. Okay. The answer is A. Next question number is 30 question number. Which of the following was first transgenic crop? The answer is B. Tobacco. The answer is B. Tobacco. Next is tobacco. Next question number is 31 question number. The first transgenic plant to be produced is, the answer is B, tobacco. The answer is B, tobacco. Next is 32 question number. Southern blotting is B, transfer of DNA fragments from electrophoretic gel to a nitrocellulose sheet. The answer is B. Okay. Next question number is 33 question number. Restriction enzyme were discovered by, the answer is A, Smith and Nathans. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 34 question number. RFLP stand for restriction fragment length polymorphism. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 35 question number. Chain termination is a type of sequencing. The answer is A, sequencing. Okay. Next is 36 question number, in which the technique enzyme and polymer are bridged by use of bifunctional reagent. The answer is covalent cross-linking. Okay. Next is 37 question number. The most commonly employed cross-linked polymer is the answer is A, polyacrylamide gel. Polyacrylamide gel. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 38 question number. For more complex reaction, immobilized blank will be used. The answer is A, cell. Okay. Next question number is 39 question number. Which medium is used for the production of penicillin using immobilized cell is, the answer is B, glucose medium. Okay. Next is 40 question number. Home blood glucose sensor works on the which principle? The answer is B, electrochemical. The answer is B, electrochemical. Okay. Next is 41 क्वेश्चन नंबर. एंटीबायोटिक्स आर, जो एंटीबायोटिक्स है वो किस पे, ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स. द आंसर इज डी, ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स है. ओके. एंटीबॉडीज जो है वो ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 42 क्वेश्चन नंबर. इंटरफेरॉन्स आर, जो इंटरफेरॉन्स है वो क्या है? द आंसर इज बी, antiviral protein. The answer is B, antiviral protein. Okay. Next is 43 question number. The class of antibodies which can cross the placenta is, the answer is C, IgG, मतलब immunoglobulin G. Okay. The answer is C. Next is 44 question number. Very low dose of antigen may induce, the answer is C, low zone tolerance. The answer is C, low zone tolerance. Okay. Next is 45 question number. Which type of hypersensitivity reaction is autoimmunity? The answer is B, type 2. The answer is B, type 2. Next is, which of the following scientists created the first bioinformative database is, the answer is A, de Hoff. The answer is A, de Hoff. Okay. Next is 47 question number. The identification of drug through the genomic study is called, the answer is A, pharmacogenomic. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 48 question number. Proteomic refers to study of, the answer is D, the entire set of expressed protein in the cell. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 49 question number. The process of finding relative location of gene on a chromosome is called, the answer is D, genome mapping. The answer is D, genome mapping. Next is 50 question number. The term of in vitro is a Latin word which refers to, the answer is D, the answer is B, विद इन द क्लास। द आंसर ऑफ क्या, बी। ओके, विद इन द क्लास। ये टोटल 50 क्वेश्चन हो गए। देन आपको मिलेंगे 5 क्वेश्चन और उसको आपको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा और कमेंट बॉक्स में डालना पड़ेगा आंसर, क्योंकि आपको पता चले कि आप कितना आपका मेमोरी पावर है। ठीक है, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें। ओके, चलिए तब तक के लिए बाय, खुश रहें, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं। ये आपके क्वेश्चन है, which biosensor work on the principle of change in mass, and second question number is glucose sensor is an example of, ठीक है। then third question number is a positive tuberculin is test example of, and next question number is naturally acquired active immunity would be most likely acquired through the which of the following process, and next is which of the following antibodies is predominantly present in the tear, saliva and mucus, and next is and no next, इसका आपको क्या करना है, आंसर आपको देना है, ठीक है, और कमेंट बॉक्स में डालना है। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए।